which constitution, which law gives them authority to fire on their own youngsters? Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has always upheld the supremacy of the constitution, has always upheld the supremacy of the rule of law. And we maintain that it was a peaceful protest fired upon by the snipers and all the guns that they used. Hundreds were injured and deprived of the medical treatment. They were rushed to the hospitals. Hospitals basically refused them treatments, pushed them out. Hospitals were cordoned. People, because of the fear of their arrest, most of the people did not go to those official hospitals, namely PEMS and the polyclinics. People rushed to the private hospitals. Most of the people, youngsters, with the fear of arrest, they left the city injured. So we are still collecting that data from different districts in Punjab. We are still in the process of collecting data in KP and in Balochistan. In Balochistan, you would have heard that there was this dua being performed in a mosque of one of the martyrs, and the police raided that mosque and then filed FIRs on one of the family members. Here there's this one martyr in Pindi Kotli, Satya, he's resident of Pindi, but Anish Sati, his family has been harassed. Their house in Kotli Satya was basically partly destroyed. There are people, masked men, deputed in their houses. If anyone goes to condole, you can see people in the mask roaming around and, writing their reports. Who knows, special branch, CTD Punjab, or security branch. The bodies were concealed.